Nah, I don't remember who I was talking with recently, who I was speaking with recently. And only on a bido got more full. But the thing where you tell me, channel me back to my own start. Osim na ife niile ọ na-eme bụ o were ya onye chi esizi chi eji enyi ọrịa. Anything where you want to do, you go give am to Inchi. Or ya my chi, go and give it to my aura. Because first of all, na me be my chi. There is no difference between I and my chi. Na me be my chi. Mwa buchi boeze buchim. So mwa esizi chim, take this to this my father, to my ancestor, this ancestor. Mwa esizi chim, take this to this water. It is the only way, it is the less stressful way. So that person was saying he's just at the start, but in actually bring me back to, in actually refocus me back to the start, to the core, which is everything. Dun, 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 dun. Say I went back to my chi. See ya chi mo. I have missed you, my chi. If I want news, Erika, if I want news for me to return to this point now, where I don't go back to my chi full time. Now everybody now guys go through my chi. Chi buisi. If I want news, Erika, I don't make so many mistakes. I don't even get my own. I'm about to go my musu. Pop one musu. If I want news, Erika.